So we've gotten some really good feedback from the Clean the World initiative from our attendees. I mean, the hands-on feeling of actually doing something that you know is going to make an impact to someone's life, and something that's just nothing's more important to health than cleanliness. The Clean the World initiative is a pretty amazing initiative. It started in 2009, and it's really leveraging all the unused personal hygienic products that is created when people stay at a hotel. And when you think about, let's say, the Venetian, the Palazzo, there's 7,000 rooms, and think of all the half-used soap or the just barely used shampoo bottles or hair conditioning bottles. And what they do is they basically recycle them and then redistribute them to impoverished kids and people around the world.
At Cvent, they are going to be doing a hygiene building station where they're going to set up a large table in our expo hall, and they will be building over 2,500 kits in which they will be giving back to the Catholic charities here in Las Vegas. And so many groups are looking for ways where they can do that, and Clean the World is one of those partnerships in which we work with very closely in order to help give back to our community.
We really focus on going out there, whether it be globally or even in the local community, and we teach about hygiene. Just something as simple as being able to wash your hands the right way can totally eradicate those illnesses. We also get a lot of corporations and organizations on board. One of our main partners that we deal with is hotels. We actually get them to be part of our recycle program. They give us their soap and their bottled amenities because many times when people check out, you wonder what happens to those items. And so they're able to gather them together and they send them back to us at Clean the World to where they can build hygiene kits with these products. So that's where my job comes in, and I get to educate a lot of these corporations and organizations and get them on board to do team building.
Over the last 7 or 8 years, they've actually recycled about 45 million pounds, and they've helped literally hundreds of thousands, if not millions of people. And they've saved a lot of lives because problems occur when you're not healthy and hygienic. And I think with these recycled products that we can do as an industry, our incremental thing to help save lives and really make people enjoy just the small things, which is feeling clean.
We see more and more customers really trying to work with us on identifying different elements that are, again, priorities to them and their pillars of sustainability and giving back with CSR, and how they can bring that to the community in which they host their meetings and events.